Okay, I'm not sure where that left off. My battery died. Sorry, I had to bend over and get my coffee. But I had new batteries in my back pocket because I knew they weren't. But anyhow, there's 10 dead trees. All right here. I mean, one of them's little back there. Right there. In between, I guess, you can see it. There's another leaner there I just saw. But anyhow, these 3 trees are leaning. I don't have... The point of doing the research on the equipment was just to see what I had in my hand, how old it was. Checking into a Nikon D31. It'll function. It's got the autofocus for my lenses that I do have for this camera. So, and it will video. And I can shoot my video from that camera along with taking pictures. So I only have to carry one camera. But I haven't found the right deal because I'm cheap. So, eventually I will. Along with these 3 leaners, there's a tree laying down. And you can tell they're just pushed over, blown over by the root wads. So they are still alive. But the funny thing is, that tree goes up into that tree. This tree, which is, I don't know, probably 2 feet around at the bottom, I'm guessing. But it's pushed up in the same tree. Now, I just find that a little weird. Because had it blown over in the right angle, it would have went right down through there and been on the ground. I see a spider web in my future. Hopefully I just took care of it. Oh. That's where I'm going to put you guys in. There's a little trail that steps right over this log. Of course, right up the road from here is where I filmed them 2 deers. So, and it's a pretty narrow path. But it is all over right here. And that's the 3rd tree right there. Crisscrosses that one and just goes up. This is, amazingly enough, marked Zone B. A little tree that comes over. And that tree laying on the ground is right there. It's a root wad. It's been, I guess what you could say, blown over. Root wads and all. Which, coming from the Midwest, it's a tornado, which is pretty much a hurricane that lasts a lot longer than a tornado. Everybody's, why are you moving to Florida? They have hurricanes. I'm like, because I know about hurricanes down here. Sometimes you know about them 2 weeks in advance. As soon as they come off the coast of Africa in the winds. Tornado? Yeah, if you're lucky you got a couple minutes to seek shelter. Otherwise it can just pop up on you, especially out in the rural area where you don't get TV reception. I just think that's funny that those 2 trees go up into that little tree. And oh, I forgot my sunglasses in the car. Which means, I don't know, as you can see the sun's up. We'll block you with the tree. But it's right there. I started walking down the electric lines, but I found a trail that led in, so I started following. I don't know so much as a trail as it's just water drainage, and that's where I'm at. down here. I'll turn the camera back on when I get there. It's right there, and I saw something else somewhere else. But it's down here. I'll turn you off for now.